Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
Today's topic is super useful. We're talking about how to apologize and how to make polite requests in English.
Yes, these two skills are important if you want to sound friendly, kind, and respectful.
And let's be honest, everyone makes mistakes.
Even you, Jack.
Hey, I make creative mistakes.
Whatever that means.
So let's start with apologizing.
Good idea. Okay, friends, repeat after me. I'm sorry.
Very simple. Try it again. I'm sorry.
And if you want to sound a little more polite, you can say, I'm really sorry.
Or, I'm so sorry.
These work for small mistakes. For example,
I'm sorry I'm late.
or I'm sorry for the noise.
Easy, right?
But what if the mistake is bigger?
Like when you eat someone's birthday cake?
Jack, did you do that again?
No comment.
Okay, so for bigger mistakes, you can say, I apologize.
That sounds more polite and more serious.
For example, I apologize for the confusion.
Or, I apologize for the misunderstanding.
Repeat after us. I apologize for the misunderstanding.
Great, that sounded nice.
Now, here is an important tip. After saying sorry, you should usually add a short explanation.
But not a long, boring story.
Yes, please don't give your whole life history.
For example, I'm sorry I'm late. The bus was slow.
Simple, short, clear.
Sometimes learners ask, what's the difference between sorry and excuse me?
Good question. Sorry is for mistakes.
And excuse me is for small interruptions.
For example, excuse me, can you move a little?
Or, excuse me, do you have the time?
Okay, Jack, let's do a mini quiz.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's easy.
That's what you always say.
Here we go. Friends, listen and decide, should Jack say sorry or excuse me?
Okay.
Situation 1. Jack steps on someone's foot.
Sorry.
Correct. Situation 2. Jack wants to pass in a crowded hallway.
Excuse me.
Perfect. Situation 3. Jack drops Emma's favorite coffee mug.
I'm sorry, please don't kill me.
Correct again. And yes, you're safe.
Thank you.
Now let's move to polite requests, how to ask for something nicely.
This part is important because many beginners sound too direct.
Yes, when you ask directly, it can sound rude in English, even if you don't mean it.
For example, if you say, give me water,
That sounds like a command.
like a boss talking to an employee.
Instead, try, could you give me some water?
Or, can you pass me the water, please?
See, still simple, but more polite.
Okay, friends, repeat after me. Could you help me?
Again, could you help me?
Nice.
Another one, can you show me?
And, can you tell me?
These are super common in daily conversation.
Now, here's a cool trick. If you want to sound extra polite, you can add please.
Or you can make the sentence softer. For example, could you please slow down a little?
That one is great for English learners,
Yes, many people speak too fast.
especially Emma,
Hey, I speak like a normal human.
a fast human.
Anyway,
Let's give some real-life examples.
sure. I'll give the situation and Jack will say a polite request.
Situation 1. You want someone to repeat what they said.
Could you say that again, please?
Great.
Situation 2. You want your teacher to explain something slowly.
Can you explain that more slowly, please?
Nice. Situation 3. You want directions to the train station.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Perfect.
Okay, Emma, now it's your turn.
Challenge accepted.
Situation 1. You need help carrying a heavy bag.
Could you help me carry this, please?
Good job.
Situation 2. You want someone to close the window.
Can you close the window, please?
Yes. Easy but polite.
Situation 3. You want your brother to stop eating your snacks.
Could you please stop eating my snacks?
I feel attacked.
Because it was about you.
Fair enough.
Another useful request phrase is, would you mind?
Yes, this one is very polite.
But be careful. After mine, we use verb plus ing.
For example, would you mind opening the door?
Repeat after us. Would you mind helping me?
Again, would you mind helping me?
Great.
And remember, if someone asks you a question with would you mind, you can answer like this. No, I don't mind.
That means yes, you will do it.
English is strange sometimes.
Very strange.
Another important request phrase is it okay if?
For example, is it okay if I sit here?
Or, is it okay if I call you later? These sound friendly and gentle.
Some learners ask me, which one should I use?
And the answer is simple. Use whichever feels natural.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be polite and clear.
Exactly. And if you forget the phrase, just smile.
A smile is universal.
Unless your smile is scary.
Yours is sometimes scary.
Okay.
Let's teach some combination phrases now.
Good idea.
For example, you can combine an apology with a request.
Like, sorry, could you say that again?
Or, I'm sorry, can you help me with this?
Very useful in real life.
And you can also use, do you mind if I?
That one is similar to, is it okay if I?
For example, do you mind if I open the window?
Repeat after us. Do you mind if I open the window?
Nice work.
Now let's do another mini quiz.
Ooh, I like quizzes.
Okay, friends, listen and choose the best polite request.
Here we go.
Question 1. You want your friend to repeat something.
A. Repeat it.
B. Could you repeat that, please?
The answer is B.
Question 2. You need help finding a street.
A. Where is it?
B. Excuse me, could you tell me where this street is?
The answer is B. Much more polite.
Question 3. You want someone to speak more slowly.
A. Slow down.
B. Can you speak a little more slowly, please?
Answer. Definitely B.
Emma, I think our listeners are doing great today.
Yes, they're learning fast. I'm proud of them. It's so nice to see how quickly learners improve when they practice with real phrases.
Absolutely. And polite English is something you use every single day, no matter where you live.
Speaking of which, Jack, do you remember the polite request you used yesterday at the coffee shop?
Oh, yes. Friends, listen to this. I said, excuse me, could you make it a little less sweet, please?
And the barista smiled so much.
Yeah, because I sounded polite, not bossy.
If Jack can sound polite, anyone can.
Wow. Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
Let's talk about tone for a moment.
Yes, tone is super important.
You can say the same sentence, but if your voice sounds angry, it becomes rude.
For example, listen carefully. Can you move, please? Said with a smile, polite.
Now listen. Can you move, please? Said with a grumpy face, rude.
Same words.
But the feeling is totally different.
So tone plus words equals politeness.
Wow, Emma, that almost sounded like math.
I know, I'm basically a scientist.
A scientist of politeness.
I like that title.
Here's another thing students forget. Speed.
Yes, when you speak too fast, people sometimes think you're annoyed.
Try slowing down just a little when you make a request.
Let's practice with a slow, soft voice. Could you help me, please?
Now a little faster. Could you help me, please?
And now super fast. Could you help me, please?
That last one sounds like you're stressed.
Exactly. So just slow down a tiny bit when asking for help.
One more useful phrase is, I was wondering if.
Ooh, that one is very polite and gentle.
For example, I was wondering if you could help me with my homework.
Or, I was wondering if you had a moment to talk.
Repeat after us. I was wondering if you could help me.
Again, I was wondering if you could help me.
Great.
You know what, Jack? Let's give our listeners a small practice role play.
Nice idea. Okay, friends, imagine you're in 3 situations. Try to respond aloud.
Here we go. Situation 1. You're in a library. You need a pen. What do you say?
Think and say it out loud.
A polite version might be, "Excuse me, could I borrow a pen?"
Situation 2. Someone is blocking your view.
You can say, "Excuse me, could you move a little?"
Situation 3. You want your teacher to repeat the last sentence.
Try. Could you say that again, please?
These are small but powerful sentences,
Once you know them, you feel more confident everywhere.
and confidence makes your English sound better.
Exactly.
Okay, Emma, let's challenge each other again. Polite request battle.
Oh, yes, I love this game.
We give each other a rude sentence, and the other person must make it polite.
Perfect. I'll start. Rude version. Give me your phone.
Polite. Could I use your phone for a moment, please?
Nice.
My turn. Rude version. Move.
Polite. Excuse me. Could you move a little, please?
Very good.
Next one. Send me the file.
Polite. Could you send me the file when you have time?
That's very polite. You added, when you have time.
Yes, it shows respect.
Your turn. Rude version. Stop talking.
Polite. Would you mind speaking more quietly?
Ooh, that's smooth.
Thank you, thank you.
See, friends, politeness is easy if you change the way you ask.
And honestly, it makes conversations happier.
People are more willing to help you.
Yes, politeness opens doors. Not real doors.
But social doors.
Exactly. Now let's teach one last part. Apologizing plus fixing the problem.
Yes. This is a very professional skill.
For example, I'm sorry I'm late. I'll work faster to catch up.
Or, I apologize for the mistake. I'll correct it right now.
This shows responsibility.
And it makes people trust you.
So don't just say sorry. Try to fix the situation.
Jack, what's a very common mistake learners make when apologizing?
Oh yes, they say I'm sorry for to.
Yes, I've heard that.
Friends, after sorry for, use verb plus ing. For example, I'm sorry for being late.
Not, I'm sorry for be late. Repeat after us. I'm sorry for being late.
Perfect.
Another very common mistake is saying sorry too much.
Yes, some people say sorry for everything. Like, sorry, can I ask a question?
Sorry, can you help me?
Sorry, I'm breathing.
Okay, that one is too much.
But really, friends, don't apologize for normal things.
Use excuse me or polite requests instead.
Save sorry for real mistakes.
That's a great tip.
Thank you, Professor Emma.
You're welcome, Student Jack.
Before we end, let's give listeners a powerful practice line.
Yes, Repeat after us with a confident voice. I'm sorry for the mistake.
Could you help me, please?
Would you mind repeating that?
Is it okay if I sit here?
I was wondering if you could explain that.
These 5 sentences can help you in almost any situation.
You guys did great today.
I'm really proud of everyone who listened, practiced, and repeated with us.
And remember, being polite doesn't make you weak. It makes you confident, kind, and easy to talk to.
Exactly, and over time, polite English becomes natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.